So that's where it all started. What we wanted to do is to make the technology accessible while providing enterprise-level service. So what we did is basically we streamlined the process of integration of the API, and we took a software as a service approach. So think of this as kind of in the spirit of Google Cloud, AWS, but for the Web3 space. And that led us to release the 1-inch developer portal in July 2023. So we started with 8 APIs, and in just 2 months, we saw over 1.5 billion API requests. So we saw the need from developers and builders to access our technology. So why does it matter? As you've seen in Anton's presentation, it's all about empowering the developer. So what we try to do with this project is to increase the developer adoption. Our goal is to have more and more builders, developers in the space accessing our technology and making it available through their platform. And the way to do that is to create a great developer customer experience. So we are not only creating APIs technologically, but we are creating API services, meaning that we not only offer our technology, but we offer a service package with it. That comes with customer support, customer success, critical SLA, and enhanced API reliability and security. All of this for the developer to make it very easy for them to integrate our technology, make it seamless. So why would they care about this? For them, the critical point is it's time and cost saving for them. So it's more time dedicated to developing their core functions and let the swaps and related functions to the developer portal. So it's back to having to do 20% of the efforts to get 80% of the results. And you do this because you don't have to get to the nitty-gritty of swaps. You just focus on your core functions, and the developer portal will do the rest. So on this, I just pass on to Alex for more about the different APIs accessible.
So hi. Here you can see our all APIs that are integrated. At the moment, currently we have 12 APIs, and if you are looking on the APIs, they are not all about exchanging tokens. We have also a lot of APIs that are giving you information from the blockchain, also historical information. If you are looking on history or portfolio API, you can gather historical information. APIs like the token API or the spot price API giving you actual informations. So, what can you build with our developer portal? At the end, you have almost unlimited possibilities to build something with the integration of our developer portal. You can just integrate your existing B2B or B2C solution with our developer portal and giving them more functionalities, which are exchange related or some information related. And you have the benefit that you have practically unlimited liquidity, as we are aggregating more than 380 liquidity sources. Our interfaces are also human-friendly, so the responses of our interfaces are human-readable. And you have a lower entry level into Web3, as the developer portal is offering Web2 interfaces, and you don't need so high education in Web3 to use our solutions. And at the end, you are also getting fast responses, which is not usual on the crypto market. I have here some two real-world examples that you can build with our APIs. You can build an exchange if you want. If compliance and protecting your users is important for you, then you can use our Fusion API. If you want to implement some market order function, then you can use our swap API. If you want to work with limit orders, then you can use our order book API. And additionally, you can also implement a spot price and a gas price API if you want to show information about spot prices on the market for single tokens or the current gas price. The next example is accounting. You can also integrate accounting functions in your current solution. You can use our balance API to show a balance of a wallet and show all tokens that he has. You can use our portfolio API if you want to show charts and also the performance and profit and loss for a single wallet, or you can use our history API if you want to show the whole transaction that a wallet address has done in the past. So we are coming to API integration. What we are delivering and what we are where we are trying to help the developers. We are offering at the moment a couple of open source SDKs, so you can just download them, use them, modify them for your needs. And then the developer portal itself is delivering getting started guides and also some interactive API documentation where you can just execute requests and see what you get in response. You get also configuration samples from us if you need it, and if you have trouble with our APIs, you can always contact the support, and the support is helping you. How to apply for our developer portal? If you just want to play around and look what our APIs are doing, step one is enough, because you are getting with creating an account on our developer portal some free subscription assigned, so you can play around. But if you want to integrate your solutions, we recommend to apply for some subscription plan. And if you are applying for some subscription plan, you need to do some KYC and KYB with our partners, Synapse. Then, if you need, you can also get some test account with higher RPS, depending on your needs. And then you can also start building on our developer portal. If you have some problems, reach out for help. And if everything is fine and you have integrated everything, you can sign the API agreement with us. So we are coming to the outlook for 2024. We will onboard more APIs because our DApp is using more APIs than our developer portal, and we want to offer all solutions that we have and that we are using also internally. Then we will also working on integrating Web3 nodes to deliver also Web3 nodes functionality to our developers. Then we will work on organization features like role-based account control. So someone who needs the statistics don't need functionality to manage the apps and the keys on our developer portal. Then we want also to enhance our statistic and also show the volumes that you are producing on our portal. And as we have a lot of different SDKs, we want to consolidate them in one big SDK. And last but not least, we are working on it to get ISO certification this year. So if you want just check out our developer portal, just scan the QR code or go on oneinch.dev. And if you want to contact us, you can scan the QR code and you get some Linktree link. So if someone has questions, I'm appreciate it.
Any question in the room? Oh, over there. There's a question.
Yes, we need to use a microphone. I thought it was really interesting when you talk about the API for transaction reporting and accounting, because I spent far too much time of my life over the last 3 years. What's the throughput of so transactions per you can actually download? Like if you're talking hundreds, thousands, millions of transactions, how fast is this working?
I must check it in milliseconds, but it is in milliseconds. I don't remember, but it is under 500 milliseconds, and as far as I know, the default is that you are getting about 100 transactions per response.
100 per response, right?
Yeah.
So when I do 10,000, I have to run the appropriate.
You can extend it. There is a parameter to extend it.
I'm super happy that you're building this, so that's
Yeah. Yeah, but you must make a difference between transaction on a block or a transaction for a wallet, because we have a traces API where you can explore the blocks, and history API which is delivering you the transaction for a specific wallet address.
Any other questions in the room? Over to you, Valeria.
Let's applaud to Alex and Andri. Thank you so much for this keynote. Thank you so much, everyone.